So today we're in the Florida Keys. We were asked to come down to work with Mel Fisher's Treasures on their exploration vessel called the Huntress.
Wow, this is amazing. Incredible job.
It looked like a different boat. It took an old Parker and made it look like a new Parker, and the teak style just kind of gave it that little extra classy touch.
Well, Gary, welcome aboard.
Thank you.
What do you think of the transformation of your new boat?
It's like a new boat. It's amazing. The difference is incredible. The logos are unbelievable. The attention to detail and the installation spacing and everything is just amazing. I don't know how you guys do that.
The detailed install job and the gaps all being perfect between the seams. I mean, just flawless installation. It was an amazing transformation.
I'm going from this contour of the wall here and going to this contour.
Right.
Essentially, you could see that it pitches out starboard.
Right.
Going from deck up to the gunnels, it pitches out. So in the 3D process, it captures the contour and the way it rolls out starboard and even on port side. And with that detail, that allows us to be able to size the material correctly with the scan.
I'm really looking forward to working on the new decking because it just solves a lot of problems we've had for years. It's going to be like working on a new boat, so I'm so excited about that.
The transformation of an old Parker here,
Yeah,
now it looks like something special.
it does. Yeah.
And I'm very pleased with the way it came out, especially, you know, into the cabin and down into the head. It's just,
Yeah, the detail
just ties
there.
everything together. It's
It does.
uniform.
I'm sure it'll make it easier on our feet when we're doing a lot of survey work for
Oh,
hours and day after day.
Definitely.
You know, with being soft and
Right. It's definitely
the
helps
old-
with the fatigue and the lower back pain
Give
for
the
big
old-
guys, big guys like us.
Give the old back a break.
It totally exceeded my expectations, and I'm thrilled to get out there on the boat and start using the deck.
Thanks again, Gary, for the opportunity.
Thank
we really
you.
do
It's
appreciate
been a great
it.
experience.
Pleasure.
Nice getting to know you guys and look forward to doing more